Welcome to our channel Cash Flow Vision. Friends, in our last video, we talked about CAGR, Compounded Annual Growth Rate. In this video, we will be talking about another important aspect in fundamental analysis, that is cash flow statement. When we do some investigation while selecting a stock for an investment, what we do? We do some investigation in terms of ratio analysis, in some form of financial statement analysis. So guys, we have some critical financial statements like balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow statement. In this video, we will be discussing cash flow statement. Cash flows. These two words have got immense importance in corporate finance. Cash flow statement shows the actual health of any organization. Cash flows refers to the excess of cash revenues over cash outlays. They are usually measured during a specific period of time. It is calculated by adding non-cash charges to net income after taxes. Non-cash item can be anything like depreciation. Cash outlay means cash outflow and cash revenue shows cash generated by business. Cash flow statement is useful to check financial performance of a company. This is very important aspect, guys. You might see good amount of revenue growth, you might see good amount of assets on balance sheet or P&L, you might see good sales growth on P&L. But friends, do not forget, cash is the king. And cash flow statement is going to tell you how much cash is being generated by a company. Guys, cash flow statement is divided into three areas. 1. Operating cash flows. 2. Investment cash flows. And 3. Financing cash flows. Let us see one by one. First, operating cash flow. It means cash received due to company's internal operating activities. Point number 2, investment cash flows. It means cash received or cash spent on asset having a long life. 3. Financing cash flows. It means cash received via issue of equity, debt, or cash paid by way of dividends or any kind of loan repayment. Cash flow can be used to determine problems with company's liquidity, to understand actual profit of a company, or to understand a project's rate of return by computing cash flows. Because of this, cash flow statement is considered as one of the important statements in corporate finance. So guys, when you do fundamental analysis, we have to take into consideration cash flow statement status of a company. I hope you will find this video useful. We will come with some new important topics, interesting topics in our next lecture. Till then, take care, stay safe.